Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another brand new video. I hope you guys are all doing well today. Let's go ahead and actually talk about Bitcoin. And actually today, I want to talk a bit about Ethereum because Ethereum is actually pumping as well, right? And soon enough, okay, we're going to see Ethereum reach $4,000 and its previous high, which was in fact at around, I believe $4,800, close to 5K, right? And soon enough, it's going to reach a new high. And there is in fact a chart that I do in fact want to show you guys showing that Ethereum's next target is going to be crazy. Okay, and it could potentially go higher than that. So that is exactly what I want to talk about for today's video. But let's go ahead and talk about Bitcoin first, right? What is happening with Bitcoin right now, guys? Okay, so Bitcoin right now, okay, we know just recently, Bitcoin did in fact reach a new all-time high, back up pretty much above $69,000 and a slightly higher than that, right? Higher than that. But we didn't quite see Bitcoin reach $70,000 just yet. But that's going to happen very, very soon. Don't you guys worry, right? That is in fact going to happen very, very soon. And as I'm from this video, Bitcoin's holding strong at about $66,000. So it's not too far off for us to see Bitcoin reaching, back at, 69K and of course $70,000 and over, right? But we know just recently, okay, Bitcoin did in fact reach back up to its previous all-time highs and a new high. And after that, it did in fact tumble down, okay, 10% after hitting, the record high, right? So after that, okay, sadly, okay, we did in fact see Bitcoin having a correction, and it was a pretty, big correction. I showed you guys, the Bitcoin chart in yesterday's video. I did in fact obviously talk about this in yesterday's video as well, so you should definitely check out yesterday's video. But yes, we did in fact see Bitcoin having a correction back down to the downside, and that morning I saw Bitcoin at about $60,000, just below $60,000, around $59,000. Okay, yeah, so it was pretty bad, but nonetheless, okay, Bitcoin is bouncing back up. You guys can just clearly see that, right? So yeah, like I said, Bitcoin right now holding strong at $66,000. Okay, and this is where the drop did in fact occur for Bitcoin when it reached its previous high, and you guys can clearly see it went all the way down around $57,000, and you guys can clearly see it did in fact bounce back up. So Bitcoin right now, okay, we are in fact in the 1 hour time frame. If we go to the 15-minute time frame, you guys can clearly see that Bitcoin is in fact consolidating right now. Okay, so it's having a very, very strong sideways price movement right now. Okay, and this is completely normal, right? So Bitcoin is still holding very, very strong. Okay, above $60,000 at least, right? We're not seeing Bitcoin below 60K. It's still above $60,000. So that's absolutely amazing to see. Now, if we go to the daily time frame, it's still looking absolutely amazing for Bitcoin, right? It's still holding very, very strong. So Bitcoin today is still looking pretty well. Okay, it's still looking, pretty strong. The market today is looking a bit better than yesterday, right? So you guys can see the global crypto market cap, okay, now 2.49 trillion, just below 2.5. And you guys clearly see the market today is up 2.4%. Okay, so the market today is slightly moving up to the upside, just slightly. So for the past 24 hours, we're in fact seeing some altcoins moving. Bitcoin today is not really moving, okay, up 0.55%, but altcoins today are in fact moving. Okay, a fair few altcoins today are in fact moving. Ethereum 1%, nothing too crazy. BNB though, okay, on the other hand, 6%, which is great to see. Solana 8.7%, pretty much 9%. XRP 3.8%. Cardano 2.2%. Polkadot today, okay, 8%. And you guys clearly see the list goes on, right? Near Protocol, okay, 33%. Okay, Cosmos Atom, 11%. So yeah, a fair few altcoins today are in fact, bouncing back up to the upside. Okay, they are in fact moving today. You guys see HBAR 13%, and the list goes on. You guys can clearly see that, right? And Render, okay, I heard a lot of good things about this Render coin, okay, this altcoin, and it's up 40% today. Okay, so Render is moving today, right? So keep your eye on Render, okay? But yeah, for the past 24 hours, you guys can clearly see a fair few altcoins are moving. Fetch AI is up 41%, over 41%, pretty much 42%. So yeah, some Pacific altcoins today are in fact moving, but overall the market today is up, 2%. So that's great to see, much better than where we saw it yesterday. But yeah, altcoins, real quick before we, jump into the Bitcoin charts, let's talk about altcoins. And I'm talking about altcoins a fair bit, right? So alt season is coming, guys. We know that. And already, okay, we are already seeing, a fair few altcoins moving. Okay, a lot of these altcoins are in fact gaining back its momentum, and they are in fact bouncing back up to the upside, which is very, very bullish. Now, guys, we know the Bitcoin halving event is obviously right around the corner. Okay, it's gonna happen next month, so that's it's gonna happen like less than 40 days from now. So very, very soon, guys, we're gonna see the Bitcoin halving event, and that's obviously a very bullish sign for Bitcoin, because every single time we have the Bitcoin halving event, okay, and I know I keep repeating myself, but I'm always gonna say it again, okay, we always tend to see Bitcoin pump the most. Every single time we have the Bitcoin halving event, this is when Bitcoin tends to pump the most, guys. And this is when the real bull run begins for Bitcoin, which means alt season is also going to happen, because Bitcoin is not the only one that's going to be pumping. It's also going to be altcoins. So a lot of these altcoins, and like I said, we're already seeing a lot of altcoins pumping, right? A lot of altcoins will pump. And already, we are already seeing a lot of meme coins absolutely on fire right now. Okay, Dogecoin, right? Pepe, Shiba Inu, okay, Bonk, you name it. Majority of these meme coins are absolutely pumping, right? We're seeing Maro as well. Many of these meme coins are absolutely skyrocketing, which is also a great signal that we are in fact about to enter the next, bull run and enter the bull cycle. Okay, we are literally in the early stages of that, because you guys understand, right? Every single time, a new bull market, we enter the next, new bull market, a lot of meme coins move out of nowhere, right? A lot of them move, and that's exactly what's happening right now. So this is a very, very clear signal that we are in fact about to enter the next bull cycle, guys. A bull run is coming, and a massive one, right? So get ready, guys. Altcoins are coming, and they're going to absolutely move up to the upside, right? So this is the altcoins market cap, and you guys can clearly see, okay, it is in fact forming an uptrend right now. You guys can clearly see that a very, very slow uptrend, but soon enough it's going to reach back up to its previous high and reach a new high. Okay, for altcoins, it's market cap, right? So get ready, because a lot of these altcoins will pump. Okay, but yeah, Bitcoin. Will we see a breakout for Bitcoin? Will we see the day where we see Bitcoin breaking back up to $69,000 and having a breakout, reaching officially a new high of $70,000 and over? Will that day happen? Okay, and yes, it's going to happen, guys. Okay, sometime this year in 2024, this chart, what you guys are looking at right now, we will 100% see a breakout of $69,000. Okay, that's going to be a very historic moment right there for Bitcoin. And we're going to see Bitcoin at 70K and over 70K, just like what this chart is showing from Titan of Crypto. Okay, one day this is in fact going to happen. And I really do believe once the halving event happens, this for sure is going to happen for Bitcoin. Okay, we're going to see Bitcoin at 70K and over $70,000. So for all my Bitcoiners out there watching this video right now, be prepared, okay? Because this uptrend that Bitcoin has in fact, been forming ever since early of 2023 to where we are now, it's going to continue. It's not going to stop here. It's going to continue up to the upside. Pretty much, it's safe to say it's all ups from here. And of course, along the way, we are obviously going to see, some corrections back down to the downside, but pretty much, guys, long term, right? It's all ups from here. Okay, it's all ups from here. Okay, so get ready for that, you guys, okay? But yes, Bitcoin bull run is here, okay? We're ready to reach the bottom, okay? So that's great. And you guys can clearly see Bitcoin did in fact, reach a new high, right? It's about to reach back to its previous high and reach a new high. Okay, so already reached bottom, and it's about to reach back up to its previous highs and reach a new high, guys. Okay, so the bear market's over, guys. Okay, pretty much the bear market's over. We are in fact about to enter the next bull market. And you guys can see, yes, sometime in 2025, the year 2025, we're going to see Bitcoin reach a all-time high, a new all-time high, a new top. And we don't know exactly where the new top is going to be for Bitcoin. It could be potentially, 200K to over 200K to even 300K or over 300K, maybe even 400K, who knows, right? We don't exactly really know where Bitcoin's next top is going to be, but it's going to be something very crazy for sure, right? It's going to reach a new all-time high, a new top. And then, of course, once 2026 rolls around and 2027, that's when we're going to see Bitcoin pretty much having another correction back down to the downside, because that is when, guys, we're going to be entering the next bear market. Understand, guys, we always enter different cycles, right? There's two different cycles that Bitcoin enters. Of course, it's a bear market and, of course, a bull market, right? So once 2026 rolls around in 2027, we're going to enter the bear cycle, and that's why we're going to see Bitcoin having a correction back down to the downside, right? So that's that. Okay, be prepared for that, you guys. Okay, if you want to take your profits, go ahead. Okay, 2025 is the year to pretty much take your profits, right? This is not financial advice, guys, but if you need that money, if you actually need that money, go ahead and take your profits. There's nothing wrong with taking profits. When you actually take profits, you're actually making money. And of course, guys, right, no one has gone broke taking profits, so it's okay to take your profits, of course, right? But guess what? If you don't actually need that money, continue to hold for long term, right? Buy more and just hold, right? Hold on for dear life. Okay, so that's that. Not financial advice, guys. Always do your own research. Okay, but that's that. But yes, Ethereum. This is in fact the one chart that I want to show you guys for Ethereum, because Ethereum right now, is absolutely skyrocketing. Okay, let me just show you guys right now. Okay, Ethereum right now is about to reach back up to $4,000. Yeah, since clearly see it's holding strong just below $3,800. So today it's up 1%. For the past week, it's up 9%. For the past month, 59%, pretty much 60%. And you guys can clearly see this beautiful uptrend that Ethereum did in fact form. Right, for the past year, it's up over 100%, right? So yeah, Ethereum is still looking, pretty good, right? It is in fact moving, and I really do believe, Ethereum's gonna move even more, right? And this chart is showing that, Ethereum's next target's around 7,300, right? So you guys understand, I really do believe that yes, we're gonna see Ethereum reach over $7,000. Okay, it's gonna easily reach back up to its previous highs of around $4,800, and it's gonna reach a new high, right? But I really do believe Ethereum in the next bull cycle is gonna be over $10,000, even $15,000. To be honest with you guys, okay, I really do see Ethereum reaching like over 10K, 100%, in the next bull market, right? Maybe even like 15K. Over 15K. I think that is very, very possible for Ethereum to reach in the next bull market, right? So yeah, 7,300, that's easily going to happen very, very soon. Potentially, towards the end of this year, 2024, or maybe even early next year in 2025, soon enough, we're going to see Ethereum reach a new high very, very soon, right? So get ready. For all my Ethereum holders out there, get ready for that, because Ethereum's going to absolutely explode. And I don't think you guys are, in fact, prepared for that. So be prepared, right? So that's that. But yeah, to end off today's video, I just want to show you guys this clip right here from Bitcoin Magazine. And he tweeted this out pretty much. And it's pretty much Mark Cuban. Now, we know Mark Cuban, he's obviously a very, very, wealthy man, and he's very bullish with Bitcoin, right? He's obviously invested into Bitcoin. So he is in fact a Bitcoiner, and I just really want to show you guys this quick clip of what Mark Cuban has said here on CNBC. He says here that pretty much Bitcoin is a great store of value, and that is why he is invested in it. So I really want to show you guys this quick clip, and I hope you guys can hear it.
Bitcoin is just driven by supply and demand. There's only going to be 21 million of them. The more people that buy, the fewer people that sell. That means the price is going to go up. That's just the nature of it. It's a great store of value. That's why I have an investment in it, because I do feel that the demand is going to exceed the number of people selling. Bitcoin is just
so that's obviously very bullish, and everything that Mark Cuban has said in this very short clip is very, very true. And that is also why all of us, I'm pretty sure, are invested into it. We know Bitcoin is a store of value, right? It has store of value, and that's why you guys should hold your Bitcoins for long term, right? Because it's always shooting up. It's always shooting up. 10 years ago, right, Bitcoin was like below $200. Like literally a decade ago, 10 years ago, Bitcoin was literally at like $100 or $200, somewhere around there. And now today, it's at what, 66K. So you can just imagine where Bitcoin will be in the next 10 years. It's going to be, for sure, like over 500K to a million, to over a million per Bitcoin. You can call me crazy, but I think that is very, very possible. So understand, guys, Bitcoin is a great asset and has a store of value. So that's why you guys should hold your Bitcoins for long term as a hedge against inflation. Like what Mark Cuban said, there's only 21 million Bitcoins, right? So there's just not enough to go around for everyone. So obviously the price of Bitcoin is going to keep driving up, and it has been, right? So that's why, guys, that's why you should be invested into Bitcoin. So that's that. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Give thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. That is always appreciated. And I catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.